Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I am reviewing probably one of my favorite areas of all of Disney World, and that is the Walt Disney World Dolphin. Now the Dolphin is located near EPCOT, and it is also located by Downtown Disney, aka what is called now Disney Springs. So this hotel actually just underwent an extensive 3 to 5 year renovation. I can't quite remember if it was 5. And it actually was completed in 2017. So these renovations are quite new. It's really nice to see that they've definitely upgraded this hotel from the previous decor, which was more of a 90s Miami style floral and lots of palm tree motif, to this really nice contemporary clean decor that they have now. This area pictured is actually the front desk area, and this is of course where you're going to get your room key and all the resort information that you need. This area is just right after stepping off of the elevator, and as you can see, it is a very long walk to some points of the hotel, so just keep that in mind. This digital key card, actually you can open with your card or your phone if you check in online. So immediately to the left, we're going to find our free coffee and free bottled water, which is a great deal considering that bottled water at the parks can cost upwards of $4 to $5 a bottle. So this is great to take to the parks on a hot Florida day. So now on to the rest of the room. As you can see, this room in particular had 2 double beds, and it is a very contemporary design with very light colors. And I have to say the beds are very comfortable. Now on to those little details that I look out for, and that is plugs. Now I can tell a room has been renovated or if a room is old when there are no USB plugs, but this one gratefully has one built in, or a few built in, to each lamp, and you'll see these throughout the room. As you can see here, there's another one. There's a switch for the lamp, the plug, the American outlet plug, and the USB plug. So something else that I look out for that is probably a minor detail is a soft close drawer that lets me know that the quality of the furnishings are just a little bit better. And in here you can see that there's also a refrigerator, again with the free bottled water, which you can take to the parks. So something about the room that surprised me is that there's no USB plug right next to a desk where somebody would use a laptop. So just an idea, Disney or Swan and Dolphin, Marriott, you may want to consider that in the future. And now for one of my favorite parts of the room is the view. We had a front hotel view, if that's even a view, and it was a really pretty view, very green obviously. And guess what guys, at night this room had a full view of the EPCOT fireworks. Awesome. Blossom. It was so cool. It was a really nice surprise. We did not expect it, and we'll show you a clip a little bit later. So our visit actually happened to be during Pride Month, and it was very awesome to see the Pride flag flying out in the front of the hotel, and I thought it was a very warm welcome for the LGBT community. So now we move on to the bathroom. As you can see here, there are the typical amenities such as your lotion, shampoo, and conditioner. This is actually displayed right in the same area where the cups are, which I thought it was very interesting. But nonetheless, the decor was really nice, very contemporary. And I actually really love the backsplash on this. Of course, you have your typical bathroom with your tub and more amenities such as your soaps and your hair conditioner and shampoo. So as with any typical hotel room, you have your extra blankets, you have your closet, your ironing board, hangers, and of course your laundry bag. In here is also the safe, so you would use a code to get in and out of your safe. Again, that is changed every single time the room is vacant. One of the things I really enjoy about this resort area is that it is kind of like a small city. They have many dining options. They have from high-end to quick service, so you're never short on choices, that is for sure. And these are some of the complimentary amenities available. You just call the front desk and they will deliver it right to your room, and these are all free. Now, you know you're staying at a great hotel when you have everything you need and you don't even need to get out of the resort. Fuel is one of the better places that I've been to as far as food or market is concerned. They have almost everything you can think of, including wine, yes, wine, and every kind of drink imaginable, even my favorite, which is seltzer water or soda water, or sparkling water. They also have soft drinks, fruit drinks, and even different varieties of soda. And you can even get breakfast here as well, which is great. When you're headed out to the parks, you just grab your fuel. Yes, pun intended. Grab your fuel and head out to the parks, which are very close by. Hey, just remember, they also have Mickey waffles. Now, just be aware if you have kids, this might not be the place to take them because they have pretty much every candy you can imagine, including this awesome sculpture of the Monsters Inc. characters, which is entirely made of candy. So in the chill out section of fuel, you actually have a Froyo station or Froyo bar. And over here, I bet you won't know what they have. Yes, they have the Dole Whip Froyo, so you can get your Dole Whip fix right before you head out to the parks. So one thing that I thought was really awesome was courtesy umbrellas. On the day that we went, it was actually pouring and they gave us free umbrellas. They even had the dry umbrellas separate from the wet umbrellas. So this hotel not only got you on food, they got you on treats, they got you on Dole Whip, and they even have you on umbrellas. But guess what, guys? You forgot some clothes, you forgot some souvenirs for that person you forgot about in your family, your third or fourth, fifth cousin. You forgot their Mickey ears that they asked you for. You know what? They got you here too. So this store is actually in the hotel. You can buy anything you can imagine: mugs, treats, clothes, Mickey ears, hats. You think about it, it pretty much is here, including clothes for little ones. So it is a really awesome store. They even have luggage, guys. Come on. Even magic bands. I mean, seriously, they got you covered. Plushies, they have even Advil, medicine, everything you can think of. Even Accents, which is the store next door, has regular clothes. So you want a nice outfit for the evening? Go right next door. Here's a good example of the sheer size of this hotel. As you can see, that was just the upstairs area. We're headed now into the downstairs locations. So one of the signature restaurants that are on this property is actually called Blue Zoo. I have never been to this place. I want to go one day. I hope to go soon. However, I've heard really good things about it, and it's actually downstairs on the first floor. So while we didn't dine at the Blue Zoo, we actually dined at Il Molino, which is across the way at the Swan Hotel. This is an Italian restaurant. The service was good. The food was amazing. And we actually had the gnocchi bolognese, which is about $15 per person. It's served family style, and this was more than enough food. We actually were able to serve ourselves twice. They have awesome bread that they also give with the meal, and I also had the sangria, which was really, really amazing as well. In addition is this amazing, beautiful structure and courtyard, which at night actually dances to music. So the palm trees are all lit up and they actually go along with the music that's playing. The views here are amazing. They make for great pictures and of course for great video. It is a really nice place to just relax and walk around. No Florida vacation is complete without, of course, a visit to a pool. And this resort actually has several. There's one that includes a waterfall and water slide. This is typically more of the family-oriented pool. And there is another one that's considered more of an adult pool, and it's really more of a lap pool. So for those that want to just relax and sit back, this is the pool for you. And in addition to the pools, the kids have a really awesome playground, and the adults have an awesome hammock area right in front of the park, so you can enjoy watching your children as you relax. Now, if you want to ride in style, I suggest you take a ferry boat to EPCOT or to Hollywood Studios. These shuttle services are actually free, and they are right at the front door of the Swan and Dolphin. There's not a lot of walking required. These are all the hotels that the ferry boats service, and it is right next door to the boardwalk. So this is a great way to even visit other Disney resorts or hotels nearby. Alright guys, I'm gonna tell you a little secret, and I hope that nobody finds out. This place is called Kimonos, one of my favorite places on Disney property. It is probably the only karaoke bar and sushi bar on site, and it is a really awesome place. Lots of fun, good food, and great ambiance. So if you're looking for a nice date night or something like that, this is the place to do it. Now, shh, don't tell anybody else. So this is the inside of the resort at night. As you can see, it's all beautifully lit up. This amazing chandelier, which I think is one of the most incredible chandeliers I've ever seen, is in the lobby, and you can see this iconic fountain at the Dolphin Hotel as well. So everyone, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you've ever been here or like anything about it, this hotel in particular or any other Disney resort, please comment down below. And here's a little view of our fireworks. If you enjoy fireworks at all, subscribe. It's awesome. So guys, I hope you enjoyed everything, and see you next time. Bye!